It's the morning drive on Road Food Review, and today I'm at Starbucks. A couple of weeks ago, I was at Scooter's Coffee and I was saying how Starbucks does not know how to make food, and then I was made aware of some new items that they have on the menu. So I am at Starbucks and I'm going to try a couple of items here. One thing I was going to try was the potato, cheddar, and chive bakes. However, they were sold out, so they do sell pretty quickly on those with it being a new item. So I did get the chicken, maple butter, and egg sandwich, and I'll show that to you here. And this is a breaded white meat chicken with eggs, a maple butter spread on a toasted oat biscuit roll. Again, I was going to get those potato, cheddar, and chive bakes, however they were sold out. So we did get the egg white and roasted pepper egg bites. Not a new item, but I'll show you those here. And these are the egg bites. And then for a drink, I got a pistachio latte, and that has pistachio sauce, steamed milk, 2 shots of espresso, and a salted brown butter topping. So I'll actually give this a try here. And that actually has some really good flavor to it. And it's espresso. That's one thing that drives me crazy. When I lived in Portland many years ago, I dated a woman that called it espresso. It's not espresso, it's espresso. Maybe not 100% her fault. I don't know. Do I say anything to be in her defense? But there was a coffee shop called Pony Espresso. Nice play on words. In Chehalis, Washington. Drove by it a few times, so maybe that's where she got the idea that it's espresso, but it's espresso. So just a little thing that drives me crazy. So let's try this sandwich. Also, I have my wife with me today. Again, she does not want to be on camera. She got a couple of things. What do we have here? This is a spinach and feta and egg white wrap. Again, not a new item, but that's what she got. And then for her drink, she got a chai tea latte. So again, let's go ahead and try this chicken, maple butter, and egg sandwich. I do have to say, this is actually a pretty good sandwich. It's got some sweetness with that maple butter. The chicken is actually done right, and the egg is real good too on it. Not really a fan of this bread. It's this oat biscuit, toasted oat biscuit roll. They could have done something different with this, but pretty good sandwich. Yeah, this is definitely really good. Let me go ahead and try this feta sandwich here. Well, it's got some good flavor in there as well. It's not too overpowering. The feta and the spinach. You get a good flavor. I don't know if I would necessarily go with egg white in this, and I'm not a fan of this wrap. But not terrible. Alright. So now I'm going to try this egg white bite. Did come with a plastic fork. I don't think I'm going to use that though. I'll show you what this looks like close up. Try this. Not really a fan of these. So ordering was pretty easy. Obviously, you just pull up to the menu, place your order, then they ask you to pull forward and you pay at the window. Total time on that?
6.5 minutes.
Total time on that was 6.5 minutes from the time that we ordered to the time that we got our food and drinks. The price, kind of expensive, $29.79 for the total. The spinach feta wrap was $4.75. The chicken sandwich was $5.45. The egg white egg bites were $5.25. My venti pistachio latte was $6.45, and her venti chai tea latte was $5.65. So again, drinks, probably a standard price for coffee shops, and then the food, I feel like the food is a little high, but prices in general with fast food have been increasing, and so maybe this is going to be a new normal for prices, but I mean, I guess we'll see in the upcoming months of how expensive food gets. So however, the sandwich I do like. Now, what do you think of the wrap?
It's really good, except it's dripping.
Yeah.
I like the wrap because you don't get the thickness of the bread. It's a lot thinner outer coating on the bread.
Okay. And that's one thing about this bread on here is it does make it a little dry. This bread is not, it's not what I would use on here, but
Does it overpower the chicken?
no, oh no, the chicken's a real good blend on here. Do you want to try some of that?
No, that's
No?
okay.
Okay.
I wonder if it would be better if they did like mini Belgian waffle outers.
Right, with the with that maple butter, it almost gives it like a waffle taste.
Mm.
So, which again is a pretty good combination of flavor. So. pistachio latte is excellent. So. So what'd you think of that? Egg white and roasted pepper.
You know, I really like them. I think that it's probably one of the more healthy choices on the menu with no breading. You know, I'll be curious to see what the calories are and kind of the makeup, but I think it's got a really good flavor, and it's probably a healthier option.
Right. Okay. And the drink, obviously, you've had that drink before, so no surprises with that chai tea latte. Pistachio latte was pretty good. I did like that peppermint mocha latte that they had last month. Normally, I just get the regular mocha. And, you know, like I said, Starbucks is the preferred place that I like to go to for my morning coffee drinks. So, the food, I would actually order that chicken maple butter and egg sandwich again. That is something that, you know, I would add and definitely order again. The other items, I really wasn't a fan of. Now, my wife did like that, did like the egg bite and the spinach and feta wrap. I didn't care for the flavor on those, and so those I wouldn't order again. But definitely the chicken sandwich, and definitely the drink.
The egg white bites are 170 calories.
Okay.
Your sandwich was 450.
Okay.
And the spinach, feta, and egg white wrap was 290 calories.
So there you go. So there's the calories on those items. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.